Hey champions! Welcome back to Kinetic Fitness, the place where we turn sweat into smiles, energy into power, and ordinary days into extraordinary wins. If you've ever struggled to stay consistent with your health and fitness goals, today's video is exactly what you need. Stick with me for the next 10 minutes because I'm about to share 10 powerful, life-changing habits that will skyrocket your energy, transform your body, and boost your confidence. Ready? Let's dive right in. Habit 1: hydration is your superpower. First up, water. It's the simplest, cheapest, most underrated fitness tool in the world. Hydration fuels your muscles, clears your skin, and keeps your brain sharp. Imagine your body as a high-performance engine. Without water, it overheats and slows down. Aim for 8-10 glasses a day, or keep a bottle handy and sip throughout. Stay hydrated, stay unstoppable. Habit 2: move like you mean it. Movement is medicine. Whether it's a 15-minute walk, dancing in your living room, or smashing a workout, just get moving. The key is consistency, not perfection. Motion creates energy, and energy creates momentum. No excuses. Your body was designed to move, so let it shine. Habit 3: sleep like a champion. Habit 3: sleep. Champions aren't made in the gym, they're made in recovery. Sleep is when your muscles repair, your hormones balance, and your mind resets. Aim for 7-9 hours of quality sleep every night. Treat sleep like a workout. Schedule it, protect it, and crush it. A rested body is an unstoppable body. Habit 4: strength is power. Strength training. Want to burn fat faster? Build muscle. Want to prevent injuries? Build muscle. Want to look and feel powerful? Build muscle. You don't need fancy machines. Push-ups, squats, planks, lunges. These bodyweight moves will transform your physique and confidence. Stronger every day, that's the goal. Habit 5: eat to fuel, not to punish. Forget about restrictive diets and punishing yourself with food rules. Eat to fuel your body, not punish it. Fill your plate with color veggies, lean proteins, whole grains, and healthy fats. Food is energy, food is medicine, food is power. When you eat clean, you live clean, and you feel unstoppable. Habit 6: track the journey, because if you don't measure it, you can't improve it. Write down your workouts, log your meals, take progress photos. Tracking shows you how far you've come, and nothing boosts motivation like visible results. Numbers don't lie, and they'll push you to level up every single day. Habit 7: plan. Don't wish dreams. Stay dreams without a plan. Schedule your workouts like important meetings. Prep your meals before hunger strikes. Pack your gym bag before bed. Winners don't rely on willpower, they rely on structure. When you plan, success is inevitable. Habit 8: stress less, live more. Habit 8: stress management. Stress is like carrying a heavy backpack everywhere you go. It slows you down and drains your energy. Fight back with meditation, deep breathing, stretching, or just walking outdoors. Protect your peace like you protect your workout routine. A strong body needs a calm mind. Habit 9: find your tribe. You don't have to walk this path alone. Surround yourself with people who push you higher. Workout buddies, online communities, coaches. Share your wins, share your struggles, and celebrate progress together. Motivation is contagious. Catch it from your tribe. Habit 10: patience plus consistency equals transformation. Results don't come overnight. Muscles, health, energy, confidence, they're built brick by brick, day by day. Stop chasing quick fixes. Instead, chase progress. Be consistent, stay patient, and trust the process, because the small wins add up to massive transformations. So there you have it, 10 powerful habits that can transform your health, fitness, and life. Think of them as tools in your superhero toolkit. Every sip of water, every walk, every healthy meal, every rep, every good night's sleep, they're not just actions, they're investments in your best self. Remember this: the only person you are truly competing with is the person you were yesterday. Too often, we compare ourselves to others, their bodies, their routines, their progress, and we feel like we're falling behind. But the truth is, their path isn't your path. Their journey isn't your journey. The only real question is, are you better today than you were yesterday? Did you move a little more? Did you eat a little better? Did you take one small step toward your goal? If the answer is yes, then you are winning. Show up even on the days when you don't feel like it. Those are the days that matter most. It's easy to push yourself when motivation is high, when the music is pumping, when the energy is there. But champions are built in the quiet moments when you lace up your shoes even though you're tired, when you choose water over soda, when you push through that last rep even when no one is watching. Every time you show up, you prove to yourself that you are stronger than your excuses. Do the work. Success isn't built on wishes, it's built on action. Small, consistent actions. You don't need to change everything overnight. You don't need to be perfect. What you need is persistence. One healthy meal, one workout, one good night's sleep. These may seem small, but they stack up. They compound. They transform. Think of each choice as a brick, and with each brick, you are building the strongest, healthiest version of yourself. Celebrate the small wins because they are the foundation of big victories. Did you drink enough water today? That's a win. Did you stretch for 5 minutes instead of skipping it? That's a win. Did you resist junk food just once when it was tempting? That's a win. Progress is made up of hundreds of tiny decisions that might feel insignificant in the moment but add up to incredible change over time. Never underestimate the power of consistency. And never, ever forget this truth: you are stronger than you think. Right now, inside you, there is potential you haven't tapped into yet. There is courage you haven't fully discovered. There is strength that hasn't been tested. You've already survived challenges that once felt impossible. You've already overcome moments when you thought you couldn't go on, and yet, here you are, still standing, still fighting. That's proof of your strength. You are braver than you believe. Fear and doubt will whisper that you can't do it, that you're not ready, that you'll fail. But courage isn't about never feeling fear. Courage is about acting in spite of fear. Every time you step out of your comfort zone, every time you try again after falling, every time you believe in yourself when no one else does, that's bravery. And every act of bravery brings you closer to the life you want. And finally, you are capable of more than you can even imagine right now. The human body, the human mind, the human spirit, they are limitless when fueled by determination. Maybe your goal feels far away. Maybe the mountain looks too tall. But remember, mountains are climbed one step at a time. No leap, no shortcut, no magic trick, just step after step, day after day, habit after habit. And before you know it, you'll look back and realize how far you've come. So keep going. Keep showing up. Keep building brick by brick. Because the best version of you is not some distant dream, it's already within you, waiting to be revealed through patience, consistency, and belief. Trust the process, honor the journey, and know this: your future self is cheering for you. Don't let them down. Thank you so much for spending these 10 minutes with me today. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button, subscribe for more powerful fitness content, and share this with a friend who needs some motivation. Together, let's build a healthier, happier, and stronger world, one habit at a time. See you in the next video, champions!